Why nosebleed? Nosebleeding home remedies. Epistaxis, causes, nosebleeds, medically known as epistaxis, are a very common problem. The inner nose is full of tiny blood vessels and is one of the most sensitive parts of the body. When these vessels get disturbed, blood starts flowing from the nostril, or sometimes both nostrils. The bleeding can be light or heavy and can last from a few seconds to more than 10 minutes. At times, symptoms like dizziness, weakness, confusion and fainting may accompany a nosebleed. Anyone can get a nosebleed, but they are most common among children ages 2 through 10 and adults ages 50 through 80. Nosebleeds can be due to a number of causes. Dry air, which dries out the nasal membranes, is the most common cause. Others include frequent nose blowing, exposure to chemical irritants, allergic reactions, an injury to the nose, repeated sneezing, excessive heat, high altitudes, hard scratching or picking the nose, alcohol abuse, excessive smoking and taking large doses of aspirin. Nosebleeds can also be brought on by nutritional deficiencies, hormonal changes during pregnancy, upper respiratory infections, high blood pressure, blood clotting disorders and cancer. Though frightening, nosebleeds are not a serious problem. Most people can handle the problem easily with the help of some simple and easy home remedies. Here are the top 5 home remedies for nosebleeds. 1. Pinch the nose. The easiest way to stop a nosebleed is the time-honored pinch cue. Pinching the nose sends pressure to the bleeding point in the nasal septum, which helps stop the flow of blood immediately. Sit up straight with your head tilted slightly forward using your thumb and index finger. Pinch the soft part of your nose below the bony bridge with this for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, breathe through your mouth, release the pressure gently and sit quietly for 5 minutes. Repeat as necessary until the bleeding stops. Note: do not lay flat, tilt your head back or put your head between your legs. Also, do not blow your nose. 2. Cold compress. A cold compress is another common remedy to stop a bleeding nose. The cold temperature causes the blood vessels to constrict faster and slows down the blood flow. This will stop the bleeding within a few minutes. Wrap a few ice cubes in a thin towel. Sit in an upright position and tilt your head back. Apply the ice pack across the bridge of your nose for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat as needed. Note: do not apply ice directly on your nose. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very effective in stopping a nosebleed quickly. It protects the body from excessive blood loss and also helps seal up the broken blood vessel wall. Soak a small cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and place it lightly into the nostril. Leave it in place for at least 10 minutes and the bleeding will stop. You can also use distilled white vinegar in this manner. Apple cider vinegar can also be used to prevent frequent nosebleeds. Simply mix 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it 3 times a day. 4. Cayenne. Another effective remedy to stop nosebleeding is cayenne. It works as a cell stimulant and regulates the pressure of the blood flow. This means it removes the heavy pressure from the hemorrhaging area and allows a quick coagulation. Simply add 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder to a cup of warm water and drink it. Soon the nosebleed will stop. Those suffering from frequent nosebleeds can take cayenne capsules 3 times a day. Consult a doctor for the correct dosage. Also, eat food spiced with cayenne pepper on a regular basis. 5. Onion. Onion is a good clotting agent, hence it is highly effective in stopping nosebleeding. The natural fumes of the onion help clot the blood. Cut 1 onion into thick slices. Press 1 slice under your nose and inhale the fumes. The bleeding will stop within minutes. Another option is to put 2 or 3 drops of freshly extracted onion juice in each nostril. Repeat as needed.